have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12th time around, wallowing in murk. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the roots that grow. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me, or will I heed the call that deserves me? Free thoughts aloud, time to be proud. No cops around, freedom abound. Glossing over, I've been a pushover, but now I'm a drover, I'm a rover, and an obstacle crossover. A challenge pushes you on. How you know you have won? Disidentify from your mind. Transcendent you will find. Transcendent you will find. Transcendent you will find.
Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. I'm losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong. wind the strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places right before the dawn. So if you ever lie awake with situations in your mind and you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by, you're losing track of time. You're losing track of time. Sometimes love is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues can take away my stride when love's standing holding hands right here by my side. So if you wanna take a ride and see what happens down the road, find yourself a pair of gloves and get yourself a warmer coat. Oh,